Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to download all your files from Google Drive. Start by signing into your account, then click your profile icon and select Manage your Google account. Once your Settings tab opens, use the search bar to type Download and click on Download your data under the Data and Privacy section. This will take you directly to Google Takeout. Here, click Deselect All so you can choose specifically what to save. Scroll down to find Drive, check the box, and feel free to select other data like your emails if necessary. After making your selections, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. You can now choose your destination, such as receiving a download link via email or adding the files to another cloud service. Next, pick your frequency. You can perform a single export or schedule one every 2 months for regular backups. For the file settings, choose the .zip format and select a larger file size to ensure your data stays in one piece rather than being split into multiple parts. Finally, click Create Export. You just need to wait for the confirmation email, which usually arrives within a few hours or a few days. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.